We have seen in Punjab the people are grappling with multiple problems because of this prevailing situation of floods. We have seen even the SDRF team and multi teams are conducting rescue operation. But today we have come to our district Kapurthala and we are going along with the SDRF team to one of the villages to see that how this rescue operation is being carried out. Joining us SDM of Sultanpur Lodi, we are going to talk to her. She is Alka Kalia. So we will, ma'am, how this rescue operation is being carried out. We have seen you are providing the relief material to those people who have been stranded in the multiple locations in this area.
In my subdivision, Sultanpur Lodi, actually there are 8 villages that are totally submerged. And in this particular place where we are heading now, there are totally 4 villages and 275 families who are stranded here. The children and the ladies, they have been moved out. They have been to their relatives and to relief center also. We have been carrying out rescue and relief operations since 11th of August. It's almost 22nd day of floods. We have got 15 members of SDRF and 3 boats of SDRF along with the 40 personnel of army and 2 boats of army who have been carrying out these operations tirelessly since 11th of August.
How it is challenging because you are talking about the 22nd day. You are continuing this rescue operation. How much it is challenging?
It is challenging in the sense that people, they are reluctant to move out of their houses. They are not ready to part with their belongings. They have got cattle. Even some of the families, they have got their cattle shifted to safe places. But still, there are 1 or 2 members in each family who have been living in their houses only. And this is the main challenge to motivate them to come out of their house and to shift their belongings.
But what we have learned, there is a far-flung areas. You have been visiting to the far-flung area. Are you able to provide them food and other facilities? What is required for them?
Actually, the other challenge we are facing is that the residential areas, they are not localized at one place. These are scattered deras. Matlab, they have constructed their houses in their farms. So if I am talking that there are 275 families, I mean to say that there are 275 scattered deras, scattered houses. And our SDRF teams through boats have been providing them dry ration. Some of the NGOs, they have been providing cooked foods. Respected MP Sir Sant Baba Sichewal ji, he has been providing cooked food, tarpaulins, and other relief material also. District administration is providing them tarpaulins, dry food, then mosquito nets, and other groceries that are required for them. Even today we are providing sanitary kits as well as the basic toiletries like bathing soap, washing soap.
But have you made any relief camp and how many people have been shifted from the villages to the relief camp?
Now there are 3 relief camps that are operational, but we have got only 1 family in one particular relief center. Actually, the families, they want to go to their relatives, and some of
They don't want to stay at the relief camp which you have set up.
They don't want to stay at the relief center. One of the family has been there at our relief center, and we have been providing them all the facilities that we can provide.
Thank you so much for talking to NDTV. So this is the SDM of the area who says she has been conducting this operation from 11th of August and it's the 22nd day they are dealing with this situation on the ground. As we are going along with the SDRF team, I'll show that how the operation is being carried out by this team. We can see they had approached one of the family which has already been stranded here. They are not able to move out of their houses because the whole area has already been surrounded with water. So we can see how this SDRF team is approaching them and providing them all the food and other material which is required for them. So we will go along with the SDRF team to show all these pictures from the ground that how this operation is being carried out by the SDRF team. So we can see the food and medicines and other items are being provided by the SDRF team to the people who have been stranded in the various villages of this district. With Vijay, Rajesh Kumar, this is Group Singh China for NDTV, District Kapurthala, Punjab.